Hi, allow me to take you through this detailed module of Dahua Addressable Fire Alarm System. So what I have here today is this setup which I'll take you through bit by bit. But from the first thing you need to notice, this fire alarm panel has different modules, starting from the keypad, the indicator, then we have feedback from third-party devices, and then also allowance for activating and stopping the feedback devices. Opening the panel, inside the panel I have this, so we connect our detectors and all equipment on the bus connection, and then we do a continuous loop throughout the setup. But in this setup, I'll show you that this fire alarm panel has a built-in battery, so that in the event we have power outage, no need for extra UPS, so that maybe when you're switching between the main power and the backup power, the battery will keep it running. Then so let me just power it on. I'll also power, this is for the input, and then also the battery. So we just make sure we connect. Then we have the ability to use the network port to connect it to DSS. We have the USB port for the purposes of exporting maybe logs. In addition to that, I have this. This is a slot for memory card so that we can store more logs and all that. So once I have this, this is the fire alarm panel now booted up and working normally. And one thing is, every incident we're going to have, we'll print it out on the printer. More devices. Because it's an addressable fire alarm, we must have an electronic coder so that we can change the codes of any of these detectors in the event we want to maybe program it and all that. Then the first device that we connect from the alarm panel is the isolation module. So this isolator module, we connect it to which will loop through the detectors up to 32. Again, after 32, we need another isolator module so that we have different modes. Then we have this as a repeater panel. So at any given time, it will give us an edge alarm. It will also give us the ability to disable the alarm. But when we disable the alarm here, does not mean we have disabled the alarm from the panel. Then I'll go to the next device. I have here is the manual call point. So you press this, it triggers an alarm. Then I have another one here. This is so this is a simple smoke detector. So this is the appearance from Dahua. Then I have this. This is another device. Now the siren with strobe. So we call it the sounder strobe. Then once my circuit is complete, I go to this output module, and I'm able to output whatever I have for my fire alarm. So for the fire alarm system, I'm going to show you some things. Like I can activate the alarm just by pressing this. So it's telling me to unlock. So it's asking me for permissions. So I'll just enter. Then I'm able to unlock it. So let me try and arm it. So when I arm it, it triggers my siren here. Also this repeater panel goes on, but I'm able to reset this signal. So I can reset the alarm from this panel. Again, let me try and trigger it from this. I have another detector here, a heat alarm, but in this case I won't be using it. So this also comes in as one other detector from Dahua. So I'll press this. When I press, it triggers the alarm here and the alarm here. But now, if I mute here, does not mean I have disabled the alarm. Although the event will still print out, I have not disabled the alarm. So I will just close it, but I have to come here and reset the alarm. So once I reset the alarm, the whole system goes quiet. So this is a good system for fire alarm that you can use to do maybe building. So I'll also talk about how much we can expand on this fire alarm. With this, like this device has address number 2, all of them will be given the automatic addresses. But the good thing with the Dahua fire alarm is we can, let me just get this key in a second. So we can change the addressing from auto to manual. So based on how your experience, it means it's quick to set up, so you can manually address, or you can let the controller do the work for you. So based on your preference, we can give you that kind of thing. Then we can check for active device by code, by user, by logic address, and then we can also stop them. We have other features that I won't go into detail with, but one Dahua alarm panel can connect up to 200 devices. So that is different repeater panel, keep emergency button or call point, heat alarm, smoke alarm, sirens. So based on your building preference and topology, you can use this to complete. So this is a brief overview. More videos will be coming in for the same. So if you're interested in doing wiring and all that, book a training with us. We're also going to make sure that you understand how to do it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this helps you venture more into the world of Dahua fire alarm system. So thank you so much for your time.